guys, welcome to Legal Matters with Yin again, and I hope you all guys, wherever you are right now, are safe and sound. This video is about an adoption. Is still a continuation of our adoption case law, but this time we're gonna do a question and answer portions vlog. The answers is related to a case law. So the answers of the questions is not just a perceptions or a personal conclusions, but it is under the case law which already has been judged by a lawyer or has been judged by a judge, or has been brought to a case law already. That means nagkaroon na po ng kaso at ang mga kasagutan ay base sa judgment ng prosecutor. Okay, so bear with me. This question is in English, but I will try to translate in Tagalog because this topic is targeted to those Filipinos para mapalinawagan kayo ng mabuti. So the first question is that in general, must a birth parent's consent to an adoption be in writing? Alright, so kapag may isang adoption bang mangyayari, ang parents ba talaga or ay kailangan magbigay ng consent or pahintulot na pinapa-adopt nila ang kanilang anak through writing? So, yes. In general, a birth parent's consent to an adoption must be in writing. Most states provide for written consent by using a voluntary consent to adoption form, and the contents of the form are generally prescribed by the statute. And typically, the consent form must state the parent's acknowledgement of the parental rights she is waiving. In most states, the form must be witnessed or notarized. So, ano ba ibig sabihin ng sinabi ko? Ang ibig sabihin po doon na yes, kailangan po na dumaan ito sa mabuting pagsusuri through writing, na ang may isa pong form na pipilapan ang magulang, at ang form na iyon ay nagsasaad na voluntaryo pong pinahihintulutan ng magulang, ng biological parents, na ang kanilang anak ay kanilang pinapaampon. Wala pong isang force agreement na po kailangan pong voluntaryo ang pagbigay pahintulot ng magulang doon sa bata upang ang kanilang anak ay mapunta doon sa adoption or pinapaampon nga nila. Voluntaryo po ito at dinadaan ito sa prosesong pagsusulat, na dapat lahat ng consent na yon ay nakasaad at nakasulat lahat doon ang mga agreement ng bawat parties. Okay? During the process of those kasunduan doon sa pagsusulat ng prosesong yon, dapat ay may witness pong nakakita at nakaabang doon na may nangyayari nga ganitong agreement. At saka after nun masulat ay kinakailangan pong sinasabi dito na kailangan magiging magiging notaryo. Notaryo? Ay kailangan pong magiging notarized ang dokumentong yon na kanilangang sinulat ang kasunduan na yon. Pagdating sa adoption, kailangan yung parents ay kailangan na voluntaryo ang pagbigay pahintulot nila na ang kanilang anak ay kanilang pinapaampon. Kailangan may witness, at pagkatapos nun ay kailangan na ipa-notarize ang dokumentong yon. Okay, next tayo. If a birth parent's consent to adoption does not comply with the state's formal requirements, may the birth parent challenge a subsequent adoptions? Ang ibig sabihin nito ay kapag daw ba ang biological parents ay hindi na ibigay lahat ang pangangailangan, during the consent of the adoption. Let's say like for example, through words lamang, okay, verbal conversation, like okay po, pinapaampon ko po ang aking anak, so kayo na po ang bahala, ganyan-ganyan. So kapag sinabi doon sa social welfare na you need to write me the consent and everything and you have to cooperate with me, because aside for the consent, there still have a lot of words for that, guys. It's not just about nagsusulat na nga yung parents, o sige sa'yo na yung anak ko, ibibigay niya na sa bahay ampunan. Hindi po ganyan, may mga proseso pa po. Kapag ang parents ay hindi nakikipag-coordinate doon sa pagbibigay ng consent, ay parang malabo po talagang makuha ito ng social welfare. So let's say kung ano ang sagot in a legal way, okay? It said here that yes, if a birth parent's consent to adoption does not comply with the state's formal requirements, then the birth parent may challenge a subsequent adoption. Pangatlong katanungan, in general, may a birth parent revoke a voluntary consent to adoptions form within a specific time period? Ibig sabihin dito, do you think na ang birth parent ba daw ay pwede niyang i-revoke yung consent niya sa pagbibigay consent niya sa adoption during those time? So, let's see kung anong sagot. Yes. Pwede niya pong sabihin na, ay sorry po, hindi ko na po ipapaampon yung anak ko. Kahit na nag-usap-usap na sila sa social welfare, kahit na naisulat na doon at sinabi niyang, ay sorry po, nagbago na po ang aking isip, hindi ko na po ipapaampon ang aking anak. So, nandun po yung karapatan ng biological parents to revoke the situation prior to the process. Alright? So, hindi dahil naisulat na, wala na akong karapatan na mag-back out. No, hindi po. Nandun ka po. Nandun pa rin po ang iyong karapatan as a biological parents. Kung gusto mong mag-change ng perceptions or ng opinion or ng what you call this one, decisions, okay? Nakapag-decision na po ako na ipapaampon ko ang aking anak, ngunit later on during the process, you all of the sudden said that no, I'm not gonna do this, I cannot do this to my child, to my own flesh, I will stop the adoption process. Alright, ganun po, pwede po yun. At pwede ka pong magdesisyon for a few days. Ang nakasaad in a legal way. Yes, in most states, a birth parent may revoke a voluntary consent to adoption form within a specific time after signing the form. Yan po ang sinasabi ko kanina. The time for revocations varies from state to state, but a typical period might be anywhere from 7 to 30 days. In many states, after the time for revocations passes, the consent to adoptions becomes irrevocable. So, guys, depende po sa bansa na pwede mong i-revoke. So, nakadepende po sa law ng bansa ninyo. Kung dito nagsasabi, I am talking here in the US, right? This is based on the US legal perceptions and in the legal situation. So, ganito po ang nangyayari. Yes, pwede pong ma-revoke ng parents during the process kahit na naka-sign na siya ng form na pinapahintulutan niyang maipaampon ng kanyang anak. So, pwede po siyang magmuni-muni, like let's say after 7 days or within the 30 days. It said here for 7 days. So, let's say within the month, nakapagmuni-muni siya na ayoko nang ipaampon ng aking anak, pwede niya pong i-revoke yun na no, I want to stop it. Pero may iba pong state na pagtapos na ang period, let's say a month, tapos na ang 30 days period, at let's say after 6 months, okay, let's say, you realize that ayoko ipaampon ng aking anak. No, hindi po pwede. Irrevocable po ang magiging sitwasyon nun. Kasi nakagawa na ng ibang proseso ang gobyerno eh. Na-process na yung ibang mga papilis, tapos after 6 months or a year, tsaka ka lang nagsasabi na ayaw mong ipaampon yung anak mo. So, hindi na po pwede valid yon. Pero, nakadepende po kung ano ang law ng inyong gobyerno. Depende po yun sa gobyerno ninyo. Hindi po ibig sabihin na 6 months na hindi ko na pwedeng kunin yung anak ko. Depende po yun sa bansa ninyo. So don't think it's like that, alright? So next question po tayo para mapadali tayo. In general, may a birth parent's consent to adoptions be revoked if it was obtained by a fraud or duress? Naintindihan niyo po ito? Ang sagot ko po dito ay yes. The question is really obvious, okay? So yes, pwede pong, in my own opinion, alright? Yes, pwede po yung i-revoke ng parents ang adoption form sapagkat ang adoption form during the signing nga daw ay nanggagaling sa anomalya, sa maling proseso, si maling anomalya, may pagbibinta or something na ganyan during the process. So baka during the time that nakapagpirma na yung parents and yung nagsasabi na you have to fill up and everything this one, yung taong yun or yung agency na yun ay mali pala. Isa palang fraud sila. Isa pala silang sindikato na okay, after nila makuha yung bata is kailangan nilang ibinta or somewhere. Parang ganyan po ang nangyayari. So yes, pwede pong humabol ang parents na kunin yung anak nila. May iba kasing agency na nanggagaling sa isang malinis na action eh. Sa tingin mo is maganda yung pamamalakad nila eh. But behind the scene is may mga anomalya. So let's see the answer for this. Yes, tama nga. In general, a birth parent's consent to adoption may be revoked if it was obtained by a fraud or duress. Some states make fraud or duress during only grounds for revoking consent. In addition, some states limit the time within which revocation may be based on a claim of fraud or duress. But ang sagot po dun is yes. Kapag nalaman po ninyo na yung anak ninyo is pupunta sa maling tao or nasa fraud adoption, yes, you can revoke those form. So guys, yun lang po ang mga legal issues na question and answer na gusto ko pong ibahagi sa inyo. Na ang tanong po was based on the questions in legal matters happens that exists, and the answer was given to a legal answers, not just a perception but based on the legal answers during the case happen. Dahil nga may kasong nangyayari at ang mga sagot na yon ay binabase lamang sa legal na mga kasagutan. Hindi po isang paghahaka-haka, ngunit isang legal na kasagutan. I answered it through my justification using the case law. So yun po ang ating vlog ngayon at ang susunod po ng mga question ay answer ay inyo po sanang pakaabangan at sana po ay may natutunan kayo sa ating vlog na ito at sana po ay na-explain ko po ng maayos ang mga katanungan. Ingat po kayo at sana po ay lagi kayong gabayan ng ating mahal na Panginoon, ng ating ala at kung ano pa man ang ating mga paniniwala sa buhay. So thank you so much guys for always there with me and for supporting my vlog, and see you again on my next vlog. Bye! Thank you for watching Legal Matters with Yan. Signed out.